You can use light key frequencies to heal and prosper. Benefits include improved sense of well-being, clarity, peace, and abundance. Join today to embrace your divinity.
Hello, hi there, what's up today? Are you in love with Lord of Luck? That is the topic today. How do you like it? Let me ask you once again, but you are going to give me the very first answer without trying to understand it, okay? So, are you secretly in love with Lord of Luck? If you are curious, keep watching the video. My name is Nila. I'm a coach, medium, author, entrepreneur, etc. To know more about my work, please visit my website infinitehealing.co.uk. Today let's talk about your affair, your steamy affair with luck, right? So many of us, or most of us, we think that we choose abundance, correct? So all of us want abundance. Then why are we in lack? Because many of us are secretly in love with lack and we just don't acknowledge it. That's what we are going to bring out in this call today, right? If you know me, I have the capacity to bring out the ugly truth in you. Okay. So you can't lie to me. And if you keep lying to yourself, then you can't get to where you like to go. So if you are in, let's say, Singapore and you want to get to London, but if you think that you are in Washington DC, then can you get to London? You can't, right? Because you will get a ticket from Washington DC to London, but whereas you are in Singapore and you can't get onto the plane with the wrong ticket, yeah, like that. If you are not aware of what you are choosing, then you can't get to what you desire. So some of my questions will bring that out. If you are totally honest with yourself, if you just go with your first response, then you will be very, very surprised what you have been choosing and what you think you have been choosing. There is a difference, yeah? Your mind may trick you into thinking that you are already choosing abundance. If you are really choosing abundance, then you will have it. No question about it. If you keep going back to lack, that means you are so in love with lack. Right, I'm going to ask you some more questions. How many masks are you wearing to hide the real treasure? What's the real treasure? You. Your potency. So how many of you have decided that if you show up as you in all your might, you may be hurting people, or people may not approve of you because you are so powerful, so different from this limited reality. So how many masks are you wearing to hide the real you? You can simply choose to let it go. It's a choice. Once it comes into awareness, it becomes a choice. All right, I don't want any more masks. I will simply let it go. You can use light matrix command. Light matrix command is like light matrix, clear, cancel and transmute this. It's that simple. Or you can use Sedona method questions. Could you let it go? Would you let it go? And when? Or you can use EFT, tap and let go. Or you can use access consciousness statement, right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 9 shorts, boys and beyonds. But it becomes a choice once it comes into your awareness. So if you are secretly in love with lack, is it time to end your steamy affair and move into the choice of abundance? It's a choice. True choice, not that you think you are choosing abundance. How do you choose? You get into the energy of it, energy of abundance. In small steps. And we have, lots of tools in Light Key Systems to do that. I recently released a gift audio in SoundCloud to release the resonance to lack. You see how I have released the resonance to lack. 9 rings. So you can go to our SoundCloud account and you can run that, or you can get the Light Matrix audio loops for releasing into abundance. So it has 3 loops: releasing the resistance, releasing the poverty consciousness, and releasing the money worries. The pack is at 50% discount and it's going to end very, very soon. Only a few hours left. Okay, so it's just $18. Feel free to get it. And we are also going to start a 11-day challenge, free challenge for the purchasers of this package. We will be running these loops together. We'll be doing status matrix. We will be sharing our insights and awareness to encourage each other and moving into abundance together for 11 days. That journey is very, very expansive for me. Okay. This is also going to be complemented by workshop where we are going to do a power wash of your universe to dig out any secret affairs you have that's creating the lack. We will bring out the truth, your unconscious choices, and clear them away. That workshop, going beyond the lies of lack. If you feel like joining any of them, please feel free. If not, simply use the Light Matrix command, which is really simple. Light Matrix, clear, cancel and transmute all this. Okay, but sometimes the questions, the weirdest questions I ask can bring out the deepest truth for you. So I invite you to join and give a power wash to your universe to move into abundance. Okay, all right. Cool. So if you like my videos in Nila Mystic TV on YouTube, please subscribe and share it with your friends. I do have a contest running. Every week I choose a person who writes a comment, inspiring comment, and gift something to them. Okay, so it can be a meditation audio, an audio loop, or a class or whatever. Okay, so please participate. And I will see you in another call. Okay, grateful to all of you for listening and choosing more lightness. Take care, guys. Bye.